Hi! Hello, my friend. This is your boy, Colton Havens, and this is where you come to get your brain food, baby. And how do you make videos on YouTube using just your phone? The craziest thing is most professional internet marketers all use their phone. So you don't need any fancy equipment, all right? You don't need nothing fancy. All you really need is the guts to make the video, okay? I've been doing this for a few years now, and it's funny to me how so many people talk about how they wish or they want or they're thinking about doing an online business because it makes a lot of sense to them. They understand that the internet is going to be around for a long time, okay? It's not going anywhere, and if you can create a business online, then it's going to stay around a long time. Okay, so creating videos, okay, my friend, I'm gonna go over the 5 tips right here on just how to create better videos. I'm gonna give you some tactics, okay, tactics and strategies for this. If you guys don't know the difference between a tactic and a strategy, make sure you catch my other video, the difference between a tactic and a strategy, because today we going into some serious tactics here, my friend. Just some simple, very simple concepts to go over that people miss when making videos, and I didn't know these. I wish I would have known these when I very first started out. My videos would have been better a lot sooner, okay? But tip number 1, really, we got to understand why is video our choice, okay? Why do we want to choose video? Because just like we said, the internet's going to be around for a long time, but in 2020, 85% of all video traffic is going to come from video. All traffic is going to come from video. And traffic, if you don't know what traffic means, traffic is eyeballs on your opportunity, your product, your business, okay? The money goes where the attention goes. Wait. Money, where the eyeballs all, where the eyeball, where the eyeballs go, the money flows. Okay, that was me a little, I don't know why I couldn't say that, okay? So wherever the attention goes, the money follows, okay? And you want eyeballs, then eyeballs are technically traffic, okay? Just like you're driving down the highway, you see a billboard. You get your billboard in front of the right traffic, okay? And video is gonna take over, okay? It's already grown 15 times more since 2017, okay? That's why we choose video. Plus, I get to interact with you get to interact with your customers, you get to interact with your followers, okay? Video does everything for you in the matter of seconds that it would take several, if not hundreds of like blog posts, emails, okay? You got to have those things in articles, but video gives that authentic and real vibe, and people can really see that because people aren't stupid. They can see through your BS. Okay, so if you're being genuine and helpful, they'll be able to see that and realize that, okay, and then they'll come back for more. Okay, that's why video is going to be our number 1. I got my notes over here, okay, and I want to make sure that I am at least hitting the main points here today. Don't get off track. I can spiderweb all over the place, okay? Tip number 2. Now this one is kind of redundant, but it happens so often, is the fear of being on camera. Most people are scared. They're like, oh my gosh, hundreds of people can see my video. Well, if this is the first time making a video, there's probably not going to be 100 people that see it. Okay, let's just be real. Okay, it'll probably be 5, 6 views, your mom, your spouse, and whoever you sent it to, okay? Look, that's just being real. I got hundreds of videos that got like 10, 13 views, okay? It doesn't matter. You only need 1 to 2 to be the overnight success, okay? It's about doing the reps and making that repetition, okay? So how do we overcome the fear of getting on camera? Know that you're helping somebody, okay? Be unselfish. Because when we're thinking about what we look like and what we're going to be and what people are going to say about us, we're worried about ourselves, and that's not how you build a business. Building a business is giving to someone else, helping someone else solve a problem, and in return they give you money for that, okay? Because it was valuable to them, okay? So if you're scared of going on camera, stop being selfish. Okay? I don't mean to offend anybody, just be blunt with it, because that is what it is. Okay, if you're thinking about other people, it's going to be easy to come out, talk about the problems and things that you solve. And these are things that I wish I would have known when I first started building my online business, okay? And we need to be on YouTube, okay? Why do we want to be on YouTube, Colton? Because YouTube is a search engine where people have problems that they're looking to fill, and if you can do the proper keyword research, which is what I'm getting better at, you can get in front of people that have problems that you can solve. That's like if you were a salesperson for a photography gig, okay? Because that's what I do. And you could specifically get in front of people that were looking for photography on a regular basis. Wouldn't that make sense to be in front of those people? Okay? So a lot of this has common sense, but we forget and miss it because we want to overcomplicate things that we don't understand fully. Okay? So now, number 3, this one's super simple. This is going to be a tactic, okay? This is going to be a tactic. The way you position your phone needs to be horizontal, okay? Not vertical. And the reason being is if you've ever been on Facebook, you can still get views, okay? You can still get lots of views with it being vertical. You're just going to get better optimization for your video if it's horizontal, okay? It fits better in your YouTube thumbprints. It fits better on Facebook even. And when you're doing lives and you have comments coming through, you can address those lives and those comments. Because if you do it virtually, they just kind of disappear. And I'm kind of thinking about, what do you think, guys? Should I cut my beard off or should I not? Let me know down there below. I'm right in between. You know, I've been growing it for a minute, but I don't know if I'm ready. I don't know if I'm ready, okay? So position your phone sideways. Now, on this same tip, number 3, make sure that you're looking at the camera when you're doing your speech and you're doing your thing, when you're making your video, okay? Because this is eye contact. This is you and Colton time. Just you and me, homie. Just you and me about to build this business, make the money. Gonna be fun, gonna be funny. White bars, white bars. Rapping, didn't even know it, okay? But you gotta make eye contact, just like if you're having a real conversation with people, okay? Make that eye contact, look at the camera while you're making your videos, okay? Horizontally, and you also want it level eye level, okay? You don't want to be doing videos like this where you're looking down or you're like, hey, like you're like 40 years old or older and you're talking on here like my mom and you're like, hey, I can't see you on here. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? I didn't see you. What button should I push to see you? Okay, so eye level. All right, right here. This is where you want to be, eye level, and you want to have a steady camera. You can do it, you know, without that camera, but the majority of your videos you want this because it's just better quality. Okay. Now, number 4 that you need to know for making videos with your phone on YouTube, and that is it's okay to mess up. What? Because if you're so scripted and you want it perfect, you're never gonna make a video because we're imperfect human beings. Human beings are not perfect. And if you are authentic, just like we said in the beginning, you connect with people like, oh, he's just another person. Okay? And when somebody can say, oh, you're just another person, but you're making that money, you know what I'm saying? They think they can do that too. So if you come off as a real, genuine person and you mess up sometimes, that's good. Okay, if you go back and you watch some of my old videos from like last year or the year before when I first started making videos, they're just horrible for now. You know, I just had a lot of ums and ahs, and you know, maybe I'm looking a lot like this and I'm not looking at the camera. Lots of little things like that that you just kind of develop and get over time, okay? So messing up is okay. It's fine to mess up, okay? And the 5th and final thing is always keep learning, okay? Because when you're green, you grow, and when you're ripe, you rot, and no one wants to be rotting, okay? But what I mean by this is just like in a Ferrari, you can't drive on an empty tank, and in your mind, you can't process, just like your body can't process without eating, your mind can't continue to learn and be sharp if it's not getting food. You gotta get your brain food, okay? Because just like you gotta bathe, and just like you gotta eat, you gotta get your brain food every day. If you want more of this, you like this kind of content, and you want to build your online business, but you don't know where to start, you want to start a business with me online, just go to coltonhavens.com/welcome. It'll be one of the first links down in the description, and you will get a 15-day business blueprint that after you're done with those 15 days of going through training, if you take it seriously and you take action. Most people don't do it, but you're not like most people because you wouldn't be looking for content like this. You're an action taker, go-getter, make it happen person. All right? So make it happen. Take action for yourself, okay? Take this blueprint because it's gonna blow your mind. You're gonna be on YouTube 24/7 after this, being like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna go make so much money, okay? But I'm not gonna guarantee you any money at all because it depends on your action. Just like going to the gym, you know, I can't give you all the workout tools and the membership, but it's up to you to put in the work to get the results that you want, okay? So that being said, it's phenomenal from the best of the best, okay? 15-day business blueprint challenge. It's one of the best. That's why I always talk about it, okay? And if you want more books, make sure you get the free book yescolton.com, or if you want to learn how to earn money online from the things that you already know, go to expertsecrets.yescolton.com. I got more brain food down there below. What video should I make next, my friend? Let me know below, and I love you. Peace. Get your brain food, baby.